So guys, we do the land tour, and our first stop is the mangrove. So let's go.
Signage.
Excuse first.
Moro ni. Gumagbakta sumana.
Marami naman kaming mangrove dun. We have mangrove. Tabi-tabi. Wala dyan yung hangin diri ko. Protect Boracay. Preserve the mangroves plant as tree to grow.
Wala gid hangin no.
Wala pa yung hangin. There's no wind here. Ano yung wind ga oy? Or not that, parang.
Tatabunan mong gud nini.
Ha?
Tabunan.
Gani.
Dito to. Dali.
This is the picture spot. Kailan ka mo ga? So guys, we can't do the activities today because we are running out of time, because tomorrow we are going home, and we didn't know actually that the activity is separated from the place we stayed in. So maybe next time when we come here, at least we know now the adventure we are going to have here in Boracay. So for now, we will only visit the land tour and take some pictures and videos, and no water activities, unfortunately. But it's okay, as at least we have the knowledge now about the Boracay trip. So this is Bulabog Beach. Bulabog Beach, no? Bulabog Beach.
Day by day we push away, never stop, we find our way. Move so fast, we make it last. Chasing time, it's running past. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way.
Bulabog Beach, guys, where all the activities here in Boracay is here. So yeah, and this is the tourist spot here. This palm tree, coconut tree. It's not a palm tree, it's coconut tree. This is the spot for the pictures. There's also hotels here. So this is our service today. Inland. Guys, the service here is like this, guys. They don't have jeepney here. Only this one.
Nagana yung museum nito.
Basta yung museum.
Museum shine. Asa dito?
Keyhole.
Guys, this is K-hole. Here, this is the third stop for our land tour.
Sinakyan natin, no? Pwede na pala tumabod.
Dili ni pogi kaalon-alon ni. At wala ilang mga party beach ni. Alas 3 nagsugod. Human alas 6. No? Ibang pa diri ni. Wala ilang mga party boat oh. No?
Ingan nila nga. Ay, ang kuan. May balot sila doon. Ano naman tayo na eh? Ito naman ka. Nangaon naman tayo already if that one.
Gano. Asa nang saba ni?
Abot. Dito, saan mo? Kalungas ka. Come on. This is the cove. Cove.
Keyhole.
Ay, kayo guys. Sorry. Wow.
Picturean ta kanit. Di dito unahan.
Ano, nalapas sila.
Nagpulihan na ita.
Nay nag-send sa ako lagi
Yeah,
kwarta.
stop muna kami dito yan.
Nay nag-send. Gcash.
Thank you.
Oh. O kanang isin.
Mga 5 minutes lang kami.
Kita ninyo lay ang inyong mga nasakuan kay basig wala naabot or naabot ana ba wala pa kay balo.
Picturean.
Gipicturean nimo. Oh wala ninyo
Here,
i-send
here in
sa
a
kuha, mga
Boracay
picture
view.
kagahapon na pinaabot sa kuha.
This is a different area, guys.
Wala nag-send sa kuha kay nangutana ko karon. Okay.
Oh, they have party boat there, over there, oh. Ay, ang sounds lang talaga, oh.
Asan?
Ano sa party boat? That one, oh. We can't avail that one now because we didn't know. We just later on know. So,
Isti man na uy.
next. Come na lang.
Daw kita diri ang mga party boat net.
Ganyan na.
Mama, kristal kaya kayo, ma'am?
Hindi sa net ito nito. Family picture na.
Oh, guys, so we are here. That's the K-hole. And this is the different part in Boracay where all the party boat is here. Oh, look at that. We will do that next time. Oh, look at that building. Oh, very nice.
You know?
Unsa ni dire what?
Poca Beach.
It's Poca Beach. Later natin. So we are here in the Poca Beach. Not yet because we are walking pa. But this area is Poca Beach. Okay, ano pa? Ano si pangalan? Pocab. Ay po, sorry guys, it's Pocab Beach. Sige, tuloy ka.
Turon mo gyapon.
Tuloy ka. Ay, sa tapo. Kasi ba, pwede na tayo dyan. Tuloy ka naman pala tayo. So, makainis ko ba?
You stand bright, no need to chase the light. Small flaws don't dim your inner shine. Slow down your pace, you're doing fine. You stand bright, all will be alright. Staring at the screen, lost in others' perfect